Just as a quick disclaimer before I get started with this video is that I do apologize if my voice sounds a little bit off, for I am currently sick as of recording this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get started with the actual video. So my mom ordered these Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer glasses, which are her smart sunglasses that have cameras in them. She got them so she can record stuff from a very specific angle. It wouldn't just be too hard to film with a phone or any other camera. Now I understand the privacy concerns with these, I really do, but these aren't mine, luckily. So I find it kind of funny how they offer how to safely package your return. Like, you want to return these all as if these are trying to be bad. Opening up this little pamphlet that came with it right here. As you can tell, we don't have much other than this certificate of authenticity from Ray-Ban, which I guess, alright, that's fine, I guess. Without further ado, let's go ahead and let's rip this baby open. Alright, so if I were to, let's go ahead and let's open this. So I apologize that my dog Olaf is barking in the background, for there's nothing I can do to control that. And furthermore, these right here are the actual glasses, which if we go ahead and take a look. Here, these are the glasses, which are a kind of transparent brown type color. This is not my color of choice, but I'm not my mother. And these are the actual glasses themselves. And right here is the Ray-Ban logo. And this right here is an actual switch for them. And then his logo, and these right here are the buttons. Now I don't actually know what any of these do, so I won't really mess with these, but apparently you can see these are transparent, so you can kind of see the battery. And this right here is the USB-C charging case, which has a battery pack in it, which is actually kind of cool. So yeah, that was really all I have to say about these glasses. So without further ado, thank you all for watching this video. As always, I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.